Augusta. The data broker? He and I talked about many things, but a lot about Abel as well. Why Abel would go to such lengths in order to prove his point, and then realizing that his family was killed. It weighs heavy on me. And
yeah, I'm not really fond of Republic corruption. I mean, but at the same time, if he didn't exist, I wouldn't have a job, right?
I know. That's true. We all know who's the one who did it.
Are you sure about this? You were the one who identified him.
I am sure about it. I know it's Dominique.
I think we're gonna have to question him, but without interrogating him. We're gonna have to be a little casual about this. And if he doesn't cooperate, then we might have to press him a little bit. But until anything is certain... yeah, he is. But until we don't have anything certain, we cannot really take any prisoners. We cannot detain him. So we might have to come up with a different plan.
He's not alive.
But you...
According to the records, Dominique is dead. But that's not the case. Dominique's alive. Yeah, he's alive, just under a different name. That's all I know. That's really all I know.
Do you know the name?
I do. Colbus. It's Colbus.
Yeah, I was afraid so.
I'm just afraid of...
Aw, shit. Well...
Who are you?
Oh, hold on. Let me fix my name tag. There we go.
Wakama.
Alright. Yep. Do you guys know where, what his name is?
Who?
Forgot the rank, but Soren? I think it was Petty Officer Soren.
What happened with
I don't
Soren?
think I've seen him.
Why?
Well, we have a major mission coming up on Friday. We have a redeployment. We're no longer going to be on Fuji base. I'm gonna need some... As of yet, I cannot discuss that. There's hollow nets hinting at it. However,
I see.
A lot of areas, due to the loss of Constantine, have been hit. And, well, the planet of actually, fuck it. Since you guys, would you say you're a capable pilot?
I am the capable pilot, yes.
Alright, we're going to the planet of Dantooine. There'll be a war room on Thursday discussing a lot of the details, and, you know, a lot of mission planning will happen then. However, I'm going to need a few, good pilots for deployment of a new weapon. They'll be deployed via LAT-C, and then I'll need vehicle crew for this new weapon. It's a ground vehicle of sorts, fresh out of... it's like I believe the A5 series.
I see.
I'm gonna need people to practice LAT-C drops.
Yeah, I'll see if I can comp Soren too.
Of course. I'll have an ATT ready in, well, you have to use that as the substitute, but ATT will be ready in the UHB. I need you to at least get that dropped 3 times in a row without destroying it. Once you're ready, let me know.
Of course. Okay. Thank you. But yeah.
You know, this might sound a little bit crazy. Okay, I'm gonna like whisper this. If someone hears this, they're gonna be metagaming. But do you have any incriminating evidence against Colris? Anything like to blackmail him?
Blackmail isn't going to help the situation.
What's that?
Blackmail isn't going to help the situation. But I can identify him.
What I'm asking is, do you have anything we could like use to press him with, in case he doesn't cooperate? Any incidents?
Shock Major Ackley. Ackley knows him. Major Ackley. Of Shock. He can confirm his identity. As well as I can. You're welcome.
Guys. Side.
I hate doing it, but...
Not that I miss.
Under wraps, yes. Of course. Will do.
Make all the difference in the world. So, wake up, Mr. Freeman. Wake up and smell the ashes.
What?
Apologies, Lauren. I wasn't sure, but, Major, no, it's not Major. Colonel Karma came in, and, he asked who would be able to help with lat sea drops. I assume that's why you're, practicing out there.
I just like flying, but yeah, I can.
He needs pilots
show you guys how to do it.
for Thursday. He can't say anything more than that. But that's all we can.
I should be able to. I don't know for certain, but yeah,
Of
should
course,
be able
of
to.
course.
If you want to see it, how
yeah,
it works,
just
I can show you.
make sure. Yeah, just once I see the colonel again, I'll say that you're if you're able to be there and you're up for it. Of course.
So the HGEs up top, are they cleared to be taken in practice?
I do not know currently.
Well, I'm going to
careful.
go back flying.
Have fun. There he goes. Yeah, so... Okay.
This way.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Of course.
What?
Huh?
Yeah,
Huh?
you said there was this data servers. As a janitor, I need to make sure I clean that.
You're not a janitor.
I won't question it.
You're not a janitor.
He means
Basil?
not janitor.
Basil? That's Abel.
Who's Abel?
Hands up,
I don't know
son of
what
a
you're
bitch.
talking about. Hell nah.
Listen! I know who you are! Can't run away from me, you dickhead! Fucking bitch! Get out of the fence! That's not a janitor. Abel's on base. Sound the alarm.
The alarm? What?
Yes! Basil, I'm not sure if you know, but this is Abel. He's able to teleport. He's able to get into the servers. That's why he was asking you.
Oh shit! That guy fucking died.
What?
The hell? I go AFK.
No, he's not dead.
Over here. Someone died. Someone just got shot over here.
Exactly. Sound the alarm. Protect the server room. Go!
Okay.
The hell? I go AFK.
Podcast.
For 5 milliseconds and I get gunned down. That's
Yeah.
it, I'm killed.
Abel's on base. Fuck. Not again. Shit. Where?
It's getting too hot. Excuse me. Ow! God damn it!
Shit.
Unfortunate. He kind of fucked up with our panels. Oh, actually, I guess that means we should.
Find fire extinguisher. There should be one in this room. Search. Okay, fucking hell.
I think you found one.
Did.
You're not that fucked. Oh, it's an actual bomb. The white wire.
Please don't fuck up that bomb.
We're gonna die. Oh shit. Where's a bomb? Fixed it.
Okay. Thank you for disabling that.
I had no idea how to disable that.
Really?
Yeah, I just shot the red wire, assuming that it would be the right one.
Oh, great. Try either yellow or green.
What's that behind you?
I don't know. Oh, hey. Look at you, Mr. Smarty Pants. I know who you're searching for.
Wow.
He's not here on base at the
I
moment.
need information. Who's not on base?
Dominique, the one who killed your family.
So he is alive.
Of course he is.
Then where is he?
He's still part of Renegade, just under a different
I guess
name.
that's none of your concern. Why do I look? Oh,
He
wait.
was executed, then how is he alive? I read the reports.
Apparently, the mother had different plans. That's all I know.
Put it down, buddy.
He's the last one of the 4.
I know.
Get up here, you die. Get down, you stay up down there.
I got it.
Goes by the name Colbris. Good luck on your search.
I
guess we'll do it up
need
here.
to know
Put the
where
gun
he's
down.
at.
I don't know where he's at, but I know his name now.
How do you...
I said, I don't know who you are.
I'm gonna start killing them.
Be here.
Vector, Yezu, Jizzle, until I
No,
find out where
his
he
name is
is.
Colbris, Kolbris. I don't know where he is at the moment, but I know he was on base. But not here at the moment.
That's
all I know.
Need to know. Thank you.
And also... Wait. Before you go,
The fuck
I need
was
information too.
What do you want? I might as well.
Put the gun down.
Where are you keeping our troopers?
Why would I tell you that?
Well, true. That's a good question.
You know what?
I understand what it's like to lose family. I'm sorry.
Do, huh?
I do. I know exactly what it's like.
Well, you know what? First, tell your lad C to wave off.
Of course.
Then I'll talk. I'll give you a little nugget of information if that's what you want. There's no way I
Wave off! Okay. Wave off. Go. Okay.
What you want, those bastards, if you can get to them in time. And not all of them. I'm not gonna keep them all in one place just so you can scoop them up.
I know. You're not gonna keep them all in one place. That'd be ridiculous.
An old area.
What? I'm sorry.
An old Venator named the Renegade.
I see. A quick
In the
question.
mall.
What do they have to do with your family staff?
They were the ones who pulled the trigger.
I see. I'm so sorry. Legitimately, genuinely.
Goes around, comes around.
I understand that.
Goodbye, Basil.
And I hope... Wait!
Oh, fucker! No! What's that?
He can teleport. I should have told you.
I heard that.
Heard what? It'll be alright.
La muerte.
La muerte.
Jesus. La muerte.
La muerte!
La muerte. There's another one. What are they? What? No. No. Jesus.
Jesus Cristo!
No, that's Abel.
Jesus Cristo! right, Charles?
What the fuck happened here?
Abel showed up. He's trying to avenge his family's death, and Renegade has something to do with it. That's all I know.
There's possible not far here, so...
Yeah, that's what I heard too. Be careful. Oh. I see. Well, that's it.
It's like a real mess of things.
Yes. Let me tell you the story.
I don't think so, no.
So, let me tell you. Abel is... He's a man who has lost most everything. People in Renegade are responsible for killing his family. That's why he's been after us. He's just trying to figure out who's responsible for pulling the trigger. So he's hunting all these people down.
Weird. Yeah, there's only one guy I can say it's scary enough to deal with. Then again, taking his arm wasn't enough for him. If I remember, I think his name was Yarrick. It was a story one of me boys told me once. That was more of a myth than anything else, and then one day, some kid managed to get a video of the dude he was, of whatever human he was talking about. Sure enough, so how the story went, basically it was one of them fancy, like, posh gits who usually shoot other humans when they start running, which we always find funny. Thing is, though, some boy managed to lob his whole arm off once, yeah? And
Well,
the kid who did it had a power claw on his arm.
That doesn't sound like fun.
No. So, he kills the git who took his arm, and then rips his arm off, and puts it on where he lost his arm.
What?
Aye. I don't know how he did it, but I'll be honest. After actually seeing him once, he ain't nothing to mess with. I don't know what kind of nonsense gave that human the idea for that, but I'll be honest. It's got moxie, I'll give him that.
Humans are a bit weird. Why are you pointing your gun at me? He's not here. He went somewhere else as far as I'm aware of.
Gotta be around here somewhere. It's still a security threat.
I know he is. He might be going out to the outpost.
Oh.
I guess I'll check it out.
Good idea. Be safe. I know who pulled the trigger. Or at least...
Well, Riker's kind of, screwed up. And it looks like the git you're just looking for is in the base somewhere.
I know.
Oh, point.
Well, boss, I know who fired the trigger and killed Abel's family. But I don't think you're gonna like the news.
Well, it wasn't. Okay, that's not good either.
A former trooper.
You mean to get with the weird hair thing going on, cause radiation or something like that?
Yeah, that weird git. Yeah. Demik was the one who pulled the trigger.
Oh.
Now he's trying to find him.
Well, why is he going after all you lot when he's just after one git? I just paid some git to go find the git, and then he just goes and crumps the git himself. Save everybody. Probably a fucking bit of dog hair too, but eh.
I need to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, go ahead.
Jesus! Fuck! Hello? What is this vehicle?
It's a flatbed truck. Civilians use it. I'm just using it for right now.
It's a bit silly.
After you're done with this, after what's going on at the command post, and before my debrief start, because I have a mission for you guys, I sort of need to talk to you about one of your squad members. But get in the truck.
Which one?
Mo.
Which member? Is he okay?
Well, it's about... basically, his family got kidnapped.
By whom?
Maxis.
No.
And and also 1,000 people. He kidnapped them and 1,000 people. Like I said, we'll continue after we'll deal with this outpost.
I'm so... Why are the droids here?
Hold on, wait.
Don't worry, I'll be fine.
Don't go any further.
Why?
No, like...
What's happening here?
Can someone explain to me what's going on?
I don't know. not attacking?
I don't know either. This
No, and looks like there's someone that's waiting to meet us.
Who is this?
What was that?
Perhaps we should say hello too. Hello. May we ask who you are?
Who is that on the roof?
Hello, I am Commander Mark. I'm just here to give out a mission, but may I ask what are you doing on this Republic outpost?
A fellow.
Uh,
Who is this?
Who might that be, huh? Why me?
Are we allowed to come with him? Want to make sure his safety is paramount. Okay, thank you. Recognize. You can't be Abel, could you? Or are you someone completely different? I see. I don't think he's mad. I think he's grieving. There's a difference. But I know it's consumed him.
Yes? How would you know that? Not sure what you're trying to get at here.
He's a clone. And knows you.
Oh, that was just our training. What else do you expect? I'm not sure who the hell you are. What are you talking about? You can't just go willy-nilly talking about training like that when you haven't experienced it yourself.
No. He has, that's what he's trying to tell you. He knows you.
What?
Huh?
It's one of your comrades. But his name we
I
don't
don't
know.
understand. How did you?
Huh?
What are you? Huh? I have no idea what you are, who you are. Your fascination with me is unnerving.
So you know Chief. I see.
What's your name? Of course your name. The fuck you think I was talking about?
Patience. Basil. Solus Acosta. Never heard of that name before.
Oh. Can't be.
Why are all of these droids here? Put down your weapons. I don't have mine out.
Do you not know who this is?
No. I do not know who this is. Look at all these droids around us.
Think!
Put down
Who
the
else would
weapon.
be the Commodore?
CIS?
Of course it's CIS.
I see.
Put
Why
down
are
the
you
gun.
here?
We're not in a position to open fire.
Like hell I will.
We're all going to die here if you don't put your weapon down. Do you see how many droids are out
If
there?
I kill this man right now, the monster who made many sacrifices on Seleucum, I'll sure as hell put him down to this goddamn blaster.
So come I.
Wait, you're telling me this is...
This is the man who
Dusk.
set to look... What? Wait. Dusk? This is Dusk. Commodore. Dusk. What?
No. Jane, get back.
What?
Jane,
I'll
What do you
put
mean?
You down when you stand.
get back.
Mark. Basil. Like you said, we're not in a position
Usually
to
I
fire.
don't...
We're all going to die here
Well,
if we don't play our
When we
cards
have a
right.
traitor in front of our eyes... Well, as soon as we shoot this fucker in the back of the head, we'll run to that other room to take cover from these guys. Unless you promise to leave us alone. You don't hunt us, and we don't hunt you. But if our paths cross again, we will hurt you. Deal?
Robinson's facing us. Dusk, I already know that. I already know this war isn't going to end in our favor.
I think you already know the answer to that, buddy.
You need to take care of your guns better.
Unfortunate.
Want to borrow my revolver? Or you want to just walk out of here?
No, I think I would be fine. I don't know, just kind of stand. Well, I mean, I think you two should be concerned with the things
They
looking at you
failed me
currently
too.
behind you.
They
Oh,
failed
no.
me too.
Well, Commodore, I tried to make have this peaceful. I'm sorry for this man that has a giant broom up his ass. Alright. Come on, Jane. Run! Nope. Just go.
Wait. I'm gonna die. Thing is, I already did.
Mal, come on.
The only reason I still fight anymore is to protect the people I care for the most.
I I understand.
Fuck, he got away?
That
I
wasn't
did
Abel.
not expect him to do that. I don't know why he did that. Why
Do you
did
know
he
who
use
that
the
is?
lad? We were gonna do something else.
Do you know
God damn it, why did he do that? Yes, Soren fucking did that with the lad. We were gonna use a bomber, but he just did that and he didn't even tell me, and we were gonna tell you to, like, leave. And he's... oh my god, this went to shit. Why did he do that? Oh, why did Soren do that? What was he thinking?
He's not the smartest.
I don't believe it. Why?
I have no clue. Don't ask me. I was following orders according to what I understood. Hi.
Who's in the pilot seat?
That was me.
Shit.
Goof.
Alright.
What the hell are we supposed to do now?
Get out of my lap.
I don't know. Continue having the thumb up your ass? I don't know. You do you.
We need to get back to base.
Get out of my lap.
I'll be his co-pilot then. Basil, get...
I don't know why anyone put me in the pilot seat.
That's you in there, Soren, yeah? Marg and Basil.
How many people do I have in here? 4?
4 people, yes. 1 commando. 2 NCOs, and I'm not sure on Basil.
A jackass.
A jackass. And 1 jackass. I see.
Redraft with giant broom up their ass.
Slow and steady. I said slow and steady, you dickhoot!
Ow! I'm sorry, but the okay, for some reason Ultar opens up my
Idiot. Basil. Your arm is hanging there.
How do you know him?
Who? Dusk. Dusk was a member of Renegade once.
Part of his batch.
I was waiting for the fucking word blue milk that I would be able to come in, but that's all I knew. I gave you guys the word.
I know.
Why is he here? I don't understand.
See you on Dantooine, he said.
Dusk!
He's going to attack Dantooine.
For what cause?
Yes.
The fuck?
Because we're going to be there on Thursday.